Hello guys, welcome back to Next People Fishy channel. So on today's video I want to show you guys how to sell your MT5 trading bot to MySQL5 marketplace. Okay, this video is going to comprise all the step-by-step guide on how to sell your MT5. If you're a developer and you build a trading bot, this is the best opportunity on how to put your product out there for thousands of dollars. Okay, I've been selling all my trading bots and this is how I do it. Okay, so you can see on my PC right here, okay, this is actually my bot. Let me open that for you. Okay, so this is my trading bot, Boom and Crash. I developed this bot from scratch and I've made over $5,000 from last week to today, and I'm going to show you how to put your trading bot out there on MT5 marketplace. Okay, this is the best marketplace that every developers make their income while selling their trading bot. Okay, so pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the ending. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more views, and this is the opportunity. So let's dive in. So first of all, for you to publish your trading bot on the MT5 marketplace, number one, you need to have a MySQL5 account and get it verified. And number two, how to publish your trading bot. So I'm going to cover all this I said on this particular video, so pay attention and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, you already know that MT5 have over 10 million users. Okay, and these are the best opportunities for EA developers to sell your products. Okay, I've been selling my product on MT5 and I'm going to show you how much I've made. But before that, we're going to be diving into the main topic of today, which is how to publish your trading bot. Okay, so as you already know that most of my videos comprise on how to develop an MT5 trading bot, but today's video I will specialize on how to put it on the marketplace. But if you need a trading bot which have not been compiled and you want to compile and sell, I have a script on that. The link is going to be on this video description. You can get that and compile. I'll give you a direction on the link bot description on how to compile and sell on the marketplace. Okay, all right guys, so how do you actually start creating your MT5? Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to this video description on how to create your own MT5. But like I said, on today's video we're going to be concentrating on how to upload your MT5 trading bot on the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, it's going to be a very simple video. I know some of you find it difficult to upload your trading bot to the marketplace, so this is how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be having an account to the MT5 marketplace. So all you have to do is to click on create an account and make sure you don't use email that can be verified. You can't get verification notes. Okay, so here on this page I love to use the Gmail. Okay, the Gmail login process here. So you click on Gmail, login with Gmail, Google. So you're gonna wait and it will load your email, then click on the email, continue. So great news, we are already on the account. So here the only thing you have to do is to just click on get an account. Correct. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to check our email to know if we have a notification. So don't bother about this link. I'm going to be dropping that too on the Telegram channel so that you'll be able to have an account if you want to. So here you can see our registration completed successful and we're already in the account. Okay, so now you're going to be having your login username and your password. So I'm going to be blurring this page. Make sure your account or your password is being kept secretly. Okay, so now once we have that, we're gonna be clicking on this place called market right here. Market right here. So now this is where the job is going to kickstart. So here is going to ask you for forex market of trading robots, indicators, and trading application. So if you want to create an account, please register as a seller to publish your application. Okay, so here you click on register right here. Don't make a mistake. So click on register. So here you're gonna be confirming your phone number to become a seller. Okay, so here first of all it's gonna ask you for your password. So you go to your Gmail, you copy your password right here. So once you're done with that, here, okay, pasting your password right here and click confirm. Okay, so good, everything is working smoothly. So here is going to ask you for your phone number verification. Okay, so here you're going to select your country. Please, if you pay attention, this video is very, very essential. Okay, so now select Nigeria, which is my country. So here I'm going to be adding my phone number. Okay, so for the security purpose, I'm going to be switching to the next step, which is publishing your first trading bot. Okay, which I've done this process, but for the security purpose, I'm going to be going to the next step, which is step 3. Okay, sorry for that. So let's move on to step 3, guys. Well, once you're already on this page marks that you already verified. Instead of register, it will show you to add your product. Okay, so now how do we add our product? Is by clicking on add product. So here is going to ask you, are you adding a product of MT5 or MT4? Okay, so here you're going to select MT5. Okay, so let's proceed to the next stage. So now on this stage, it's going to ask you to provide the title of your bot. So here we're going to ask for for instance, we're going to write for the title volatility spiker. Okay, something like this is very perfect. Okay, so now we are going to be adding the product. The product is going to be expert. You leave it as expert. Okay, so here we're going to select expert advisor type, scalping, news, grade, and multi-currency. Okay, good. So now this is the major part. It's going to ask you how much is the price of the product. Here you're going to select that it's not free, untick that. So here for unlimited, we're going to be adding, let me say, $2,000. Okay, for 1 month, we'll take that down, blank, unlimited. Okay, $2,000. So we're going to accept this and click add. Okay, so thank God we have bypassed that stage. Okay, the next stage is going to be asking you for the logo. Okay, you already know that when creating a trading bot on the market place, you're gonna have a logo which will attract people to buy or purchase your trading bot. So here we're going to be selecting logo. So you click on attach logo. I've already made this logo for it, so you can select any of this logo. Good. So once the logo is selected, like it said, invalid format, so we need to select a logo with original format. Okay, I'm gonna be attaching this like I promised, so that I can download and use the same format to create your own logo. Okay, so the logo format is 200 by 200 pixel. Okay, for the showcase is 140 by 140, and the lax is 60 by 60 pixel. Okay, so correct. So what we're going to do is click on save. click on save. Good. So now the description is going to be asking you to add a description of this trading bot: English, Russia, Chinese, and Spanish. From Portuguese down to Turkish is optional. Okay, so right here I've already written a template for English. If you scroll down right here, I have for English, Russia, Chinese, and Spanish. Okay, so you're gonna be having that written on this: English, Russia, Chinese, and Spanish. Okay, the next is gonna be a screenshot. A screenshot is just to add one screenshot or more. Okay, you can click add a screenshot by clicking on add screenshot. Okay, I've already made a couple of screenshots, so I can give you that. You can take any of the screenshots and add. Okay, it's very simple. So the last one is the version. How to add a version. To add a version is very simple. I'm going to be giving you guys a source code that you can just upload here. Okay, so I'm going to be uploading one on this particular ad product so that you can see how it is being added. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my MT5 editor and click on compile. I'm going to compile this, so I'll wait for it to compile. Good, so it's done compiling. So once it's done compiling, here I'll go to the file, I'll go to advisors. You can see it's compiled. So what I'm going to do is to drag, okay, good, and drop the file here. If that didn't work, just click on add file and go back and drag it and add it right here. Okay, and click save. It's going to give you some minutes to read all the code and make sure that the code is correct before it gets approved. Congratulations, guys. You can see that our EA has been compiled. Okay, and sometimes if you get this validation failed, is because I have already published exactly this code. Okay, so the main version I'm going to be giving out is a version that you can just compile, and once you upload it, you're not going to be getting this validation failed. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I'm saying. My product, if I click on my product right here, let me click on that. Okay, you can see that I already have boom and crash volatility trading EA, and if you scroll right here, you can see that it's already published, right? Okay, and if I want to publish the same code, I'm going to be getting that error code because I've already published that. But the version I'm going to be giving out is a version that have not been published, and for the 20 people who can get that trading bot, we make a lot of money on this MT5 marketplace. So thank you for watching, and if you have any issue publishing your own trading bot, don't forget to drop that on the comment section and I will reply that immediately. Peace out.